AI detectors are getting smarter, but so can you. If you've ever used ChatGPT or any AI tool to help with an essay or assignment, you've probably worried about getting flagged. And honestly, that fear's legit. Schools are using AI detectors more than ever, and they're catching on fast. Hopefully there is a solution. My name is Daniel, and today I want to introduce you to a seriously cool tool, Walter Wright's AI. If you're looking to make your AI-generated content sound 100% human and stay off the radar, this one's a total game changer. It's easy to use, lightning fast, and surprisingly powerful, whether you're working on essays, assignments, or even blog posts. Walter Wright's AI helps your content sound surreal and natural. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive in. What I'm going to do. Alright, here's what we are going to do in this video. First, I'll use ChatGPT to generate a short, academic-style essay, something a student might actually submit. Then we'll run that essay through two major AI detection tools, GPTZero and Originality AI. After that, I'll paste the same text into Walter Wright's AI to humanize it. Make it sound like a real person wrote it. Finally, we'll retest the humanized version and compare the before and after scores. And guys, this is serious. It's a real-time test, and you'll see the results live as they happen. Testing an AI-generated essay. Okay, now we're inside the ChatGPT interface. To generate a short essay, I'll give it this simple prompt. Please write a 300-word essay on the topic. When will humanity get an ASI? Let's see what it comes up with. So here it is. The essay shows up pretty quickly. And right away, you can spot some classic AI-sounding phrases. For instance, represents a monumental milestone, or largely characterized. Let's go ahead and copy that and paste it into an AI detector. First up, we're using a well-known tool called GPTZero. Just paste in the essay. Click Scan for AI, and the new tab opens. Give it a few seconds, and it will finish analyzing whether the text was AI-generated. And yep, just as expected. 100% AI-generated. Now let's test it with Originality AI. We paste in the same text and hit Scan. Once again, it comes back with 100% confidence that the essay was AI-generated. The whole thing is lit up in red. Actually, guys, this is a pretty common issue for students. Between tight deadlines, multiple assignments, and a packed academic schedule, a lot of them turn to ChatGPT to speed things up. And honestly, it feels like a smart shortcut. Just type in a prompt, and boom, a clean, structured essay in seconds. But here's the catch. Instructors and professors are catching on fast. With AI detection tools becoming standard in many institutions, it often takes them just a few seconds to flag a submission as AI-generated. What was meant to save time ends up raising red flags, and that can lead to serious consequences. But don't be fooled. Professors are already a step ahead. With AI detection tools, it often takes just a few seconds to flag a submission as AI-generated, and that can lead to some serious consequences. So let's see how to outsmart the system. Walter Wright's AI, features and demo. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Let's head over to Walter Wright's AI. This might just be where we find a solution. We'll see how it handles the job of fixing the essay. Right on the main page, you'll spot options like Detect AI Text and Humanize AI Text. There's also a third feature called Next Gen Humanizer, though that one's marked as coming soon. We'll go with Humanize AI Text and check out the options. You can either upload a file or just paste in your text, which is what I am doing here. This is the same essay ChatGPT had generated earlier. There are a few extra settings here too. For example, you can choose the readability level. high school, university, doctorate, or journalist. Then there's the purpose option: general, academic, marketing, business, essay, or legal. I could go with essay, but for now, I'm sticking with general. Next up, we've got the detection bypass levels: simple, standard, and enhanced. We are going with enhanced. Now I'll hit humanize and scan. It takes a moment to process, so let's see what it gives us. And here it is. The rewritten version of the essay is ready. It's a bit longer now, and you can see the tool swaps in less common words and fresh synonyms. It even tweaks how it refers to ASI, using phrases like super intelligent ASI. Overall, the language feels more varied, the vocabulary richer, and there are even phrases you rarely see from AI, like can help us to destroy ourselves. Now let's put it to the test and see how it holds up with the AI detectors. First, we head over to GPTZero. Click New Scan and wait for the page to load. Then we paste in the rewritten essay and start checking. And wow, just 4% AI generated and 96% human, according to this detector. That's a fantastic result. Now let's try it in originality. We start a new scan, paste in the text, and hit scan again. This time it shows 98% human, which is incredible. Remember, the original version scored 0%. And now we're seeing 96% from one detector and 98% from another. That's a huge improvement. Walter Wright's AI also comes packed with advanced features that make it way more than just a humanizer. It supports content from multiple AI models, not just ChatGPT, but Claude and others too. So no matter what tool you're using, you're covered. There's also a bionic reading mode that restructures text to make it easier to scan and retain. And if you want the output to sound more like you can even mimic specific writing styles. Super handy. The built-in AI editor lets you tweak tone, clarity, or structure with just a few clicks. Plus, you get helpful reports and suggestions to take your content up a notch. And honestly, the whole process is fast, simple, and super smooth. Conclusion. So, my friends, let's wrap it up. Walter Wright's AI takes AI-generated content and turns it into something that actually sounds human. It helps your work pass AI detectors, while keeping the original meaning and flow intact. It's a great tool for students like you who want to use AI the smart and responsible way, not to cheat the system, but to improve our writing and save time. I gotta say, I was impressed with the results. The humanized version read naturally and passed detection easily. So if you're curious, go check out Walter Wright's AI using the link in the description. You can even try it out for free and see the difference for yourself. It's definitely worth a look. Alright, my friends, and that's all about my Walter Wright's AI review. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.